Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Czech Republic. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Czech Republic is a landlocked country in Central Europe and is primarily driven by the exportation of various machinery equipment, raw materials, fuel and chemicals, as well as the energy sector, trade and IT services. The Czech Republic has a developed high-income, export-oriented social market economy, and as forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, beginner traders should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best forex brokers in the Czech Republic and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best forex brokers in the Czech Republic. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, Commodities, Futures, Forex Options, Listed Options, Cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, CYSEC, DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 2 on our list, we have Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, micro, basic, silver, gold, platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account, with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Czech Republic, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets is a multi-asset class spread betting and CFD broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. Clients have the ability to trade on more than 9,000 trading instruments, covering indices, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, as well as their very own next-generation platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, and more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Czech Republic on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.